Oh, hello, little star. You've arrived. My name is Miss Sunny Bloom, and welcome back to Little Star's Garden. Today, we're exploring Virgo energy, a caring, detail-focused spark that loves to bring gentle order to the world. Do you enjoy helping, organizing, or noticing little details? Then you're already tapping into Virgo energy. Let's head into the garden and learn how Virgos and all of us can use thoughtful actions to help ourselves and others thrive.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the little stars garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the little stars garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little stars garden, let's shine.
This is Virgo, one of our earth signs. Virgo energy loves noticing small details, helping things run smoothly, and showing kindness in practical ways. Some Virgos appear super organized, color-coding everything, while others might look messy, but are actually sorting out important details in their mind.
Did you know Virgo is the sixth sign of the zodiac? If your birthday falls between August 23rd and September 22nd, you shine with Virgo sun energy. But if your birthday falls at the beginning or end of that range, the sun could have been changing signs. So check a special map called a birth chart to see exactly where the sun was when you were born. Virgo symbol is a girl holding wheat, which is perfect because Virgo energy is all about being helpful, thoughtful, and noticing tiny details, like having a smart helper inside who loves to make things better. Virgo's lucky color is green, like plants and growing things, because it's an earth sign, practical, calm, and ready to help. Virgo is known for being thoughtful, the part of us that asks, how can I fix this? Or, what's the best way to do it? But did you know Virgo energy can show up in lots of different ways? Some kids love making lists, color-coding books, or tidying corners. Others are quietly helpful, spotting when someone needs an extra pencil or reminding the teacher about tomorrow's art supplies. A few might be messy but have a plan in their head, organizing in layers until everything clicks. Think for a moment. When was the last time you noticed a small detail that helped someone? Maybe you picked a toy up off the floor so no one tripped, or reminded a friend of an assignment. That's your Virgo spark shining, caring and attentive.
Even if you're not a Virgo, we all have days we want to organize our space or be a quiet helper. Virgo teaches us to bring gentle order to the world, one small act at a time. Ready to see how it works? Little stars, our word of the day is organize. That means bringing gentle order to things, whether it's your thoughts, your room, or a group project. On the count of 3, let's say organize together. 1, 2, 3. Organize. Great job.
I make a list and think it through. I start with 1, then go to 2. That's how I shine in what I do. Piece by piece, I make it clear. Step by step, I bring things near. Tidy mind and tidy space helps me find my steady pace. I sort my thoughts, I sort my toys. I clear the mess and keep the joy. When things I need, I feel just right. My star energy feels bright. Piece by piece, I make it clear. Step by step, I bring things
You might think organizing is boring, but Virgo shows us it can be creative and caring. Let's see how our Virgo puppet friend puts these ideas into action.
Hi, Miss Sunny. I'm Fern, the Virgo star, and I love making sure everything's in the right place. But look, my folder's a mess. I tried to reorganize it, and now my papers are all jumbled up. Why is it so chaotic?
Oh, Fern, sometimes when we want to make things perfect, we pull everything out at once. That can look chaotic before it gets better. It's a part of the organizing process.
I thought I was failing as a Virgo. But if it's normal to have a little mess before order, maybe I'm doing okay. Just need to keep going, right?
Exactly. Keep going step by step. Maybe sort your papers by subject or by color. And if it's too much, ask someone for help. Virgo loves being helpful, but you're allowed to let others help you too.
That's a good idea. I'll ask my friend to hold the folder while I label the sections. Then we can share what we organize. Like a mini harvest of ideas, huh?
Yes, a harvest of ideas. What a wonderful way to see it. That's your Virgo energy, turning chaos into care. Are you excited to keep going?
I am now. Little stars, do you ever feel overwhelmed when trying to clean or fix something? Me too. But let's remember, organize means going step by step, not all at once.
Exactly. Let's keep exploring how we can bring gentle order to our world, starting with a fun craft.
It's craft time, little stars. Today, we'll make a mini harvest basket, just like a little farmer's basket, but for your notes or small tasks. It's a cute way to practice organization in real life. You will need sturdy paper, markers or crayons, tape or glue, child-safe scissors, and stickers and ribbon. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. I'll be right here when you're ready.
Take your paper, cut a rectangle about the size of a bookmark but wider. Think of it as the front panel plus a bit of a flap. Fold the bottom edge up, creating a pocket. This forms the base of your mini basket. Now, fold the top edge down, like a little envelope, but will leave the center open. This will keep your basket shape. Leave the top open so you can drop small notes inside. Draw leaves, wheat, or something that feels earthy. Maybe label it things to do or helpful notes. You could add stickers or ribbons for extra charm. Cut a thin strip of paper as a handle. Tape each end inside your basket so you can hang it on a hook or carry it around.
Here's mine. You can jot down tasks like water the plants or give a friend a kind word and pop them in here. Each note is like a little harvest of helpfulness you can do each day. That's the energy of Virgo, organizing your daily tasks, but also adding care and kindness in the process. Let's say our shine line. I bring gentle order and help to my world. Virgo energy also helps us stay grounded, like a steady walk through a garden row. Let's do step by step strong, a slow, mindful walk that helps us focus on each moment. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, arms relaxed. Lift one foot. Move it forward slowly, counting 1 in your head or softly out loud. Pause. Feel your balance. Maybe inhale, exhale. Place the foot down gently, as if you're planting a seed in the earth. Repeat with the other foot. Count 2, then breathe. continue for about 4 to 6 slow steps. Let's do it together. Step, pause, breathe, lower. Step, pause, breathe, lower. See how each movement feels important? That's Virgo's detail-oriented approach. We're not rushing, we're noticing each step. By walking slowly and counting, we're letting our mind focus on one thing at a time. This helps us feel calm, organized, and in control, like we can handle each task or idea methodically. Now, you can do this anytime you feel scattered or overwhelmed. Just slow down, count, and breathe. A little Virgo calm goes a long way.
I'm learning more with every try. Sometimes I soar, sometimes I sigh. But every step and twist I take helps me shine and helps me make glow and grow day by day. Stretching strong in my own way. Shining bright through ups and downs. My star still sparkles all around. Sometimes I mess up, start again. Mistakes can be my truest friend. When I fall or feel unsure, I get back up and try once more. Glow and grow day by day, stretching strong in my own way. Shining bright through ups and downs, my star still sparkles all around.
Today, we explored Virgo energy, the careful, helpful part of us that likes to organize and bring kindness to our surroundings. We met Fern, who reminded us it's okay to have a bit of chaos before things become neat. We created a mini harvest basket to store tasks or notes, and we practiced the step-by-step strong walk to feel grounded and calm. Use your harvest basket. Write small tasks like check my crayons or ask if mom needs help and place them in the basket. Let's say our shine line together. I bring gentle order and help to my world. Beautiful. Let's do our starlight, star bright breath to feel calm and confident. Close your eyes if you like. Picture a glowing star in your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
As you keep breathing, imagine your shining star growing brighter with every inhale. Feel any worry or tension float away with each exhale, like little clouds drifting off into the sky. Give yourself one more gentle breath in and a long, calming breath out.
Now, open your eyes and see how calm you feel. You are a bright star just by being you. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. Until next time, keep shining in our little star's garden. Bye-bye. Want more music, laughs, and fun? Don't miss Garden Grooves. It's a sing-along celebration with bonus songs, games, and our special puppet host. Get ready to groove and glow. When we try so hard to do everything exactly right that we forget to just breathe and find ease in our day. Have you ever felt nervous because your room wasn't perfectly clean?
Hi, grown-ups! This episode celebrates Virgo energy, the part of a child that loves creating order, being helpful, and finding better ways to do things. Whether they look tidy or seem messy while mid-process, Virgo energy is often working behind the scenes to make things better. Here's how to nurture that spark. Honor their process. If your child spreads things out before sorting or fixing them, don't rush to stop them. Virgo minds often need a little chaos before creating a system that works. Support step-by-step systems. When tasks feel big, help them break things down. Let's do one part, then pause. You can also create a mini harvest basket of little notes with tasks or helpful ideas. Let them choose one at a time. It builds confidence through manageable steps. Model asking for help. Virgo kids love helping others, but may hesitate to ask for support themselves. Show them it's okay by sharing your own examples of reaching out for help or collaboration. Praise the effort, not perfection. Be specific. I love how you sorted your toys. Or, that plan helped the morning go smoothly. And remind them that good enough is still good, especially when Virgo energy gets stuck on perfection. Thank you for helping your child use their Virgo spark to glow and grow, without the pressure to be perfect. Thoughtful order, helpful hearts, and self-kindness make a powerful mix.